Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching the Stocks app and signing into your Apple ID so data and settings sync across devices. Next, type Apple in the search bar and add Apple to your watch list. This is the core action that gives you live quotes. Once done, enable notifications and background app refresh so prices and news update automatically. These steps get you immediate access to Apple stock data and keep the app delivering fresh information without manual refreshes. Now focus on interpreting the information. Tap Apple and switch between 1D, 1W, 1M, and 1Y to see short and long-term moves. This reveals trend context. Pinch and drag the interactive chart to inspect exact price and volume at specific times, and change the display to candlestick for more detail. Then swipe to the news and highlights sections to read market commentary, and to compare Apple versus the S&P 500, so you understand relative performance before forming any view or alert. Finish by customizing your workflow. Set price alerts for key levels and add quick notes or share a snapshot to messages or mail for later reference. Make Apple appear where you want it, reorder your watch list, add a stocks widget to Today or Home, and use the share sheet to export charts to a broker or research tool. If the app stops updating, force close it, check your network, and sign out, then sign back into your Apple ID. That sequence resolves most sync and data issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.